lots of shiny glitters were stolen by this Mr. Chameleon. Let's make this wonderful animal. Magic craft. To make this wonderful chameleon, we need pencils, glue stick, markers, scissors, white cupboards, and some shiny, colorful cupboards. And of course, some glitters. Let's start. First, we draw the contour of our chameleon. Moving this. And we take a black marker. So, the chameleon is pretty easy to draw. So first we do the head up. Now a little bit down. Oh, here is a little angle. Then goes like this. And the tail. Now up. Here goes the body and legs. One little leg, two little legs. Cute. Don't forget the eye, it is quite big. We draw a big circle. And a teeny tiny pupil. Wow, this chameleon looks so funny. And also, we draw the mouth. It is smiling. Cool. Now it's time for the cupboard. I take green, purple, light blue, and indigo. Put them all together and we'll make here colorful triangles on the back of our chameleon. So I put them all together and cut a rectangle, not very big. Oh, it's big. Hold tight. Cut. Now I have the same size of each color. Super. Now I put it away. Again, put together. Flip to the white side. Marker. And now I draw a triangle. Not really long. Look. Like this. You can cut all 4 colors one by one. I can cut 4. At least I will try. Cut. Oh, not easy peasy, but still possible. I want all the triangles to be the same size. It will look more neat. Oh, they look wonderful. So I put, let be 1 purple, number 2 green, number 3 light blue, and number 4 indigo. Wow, looking good. Super. Now I'll stick them. Oh, here is some cupboard now. Quickly chop it. Chop. Good. Glue stick, let's go. Spread the glue. Press. 2. Press. 3. Press. And 4. Press. Super. Check. Okay, well done. We don't need the glue anymore. You can close it. Now I will decorate the tail. First we need to color it and divide into sections. To divide the tail into sections, I'll use the black mark. So I start like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15. Yes, let it be 15. And now with the pencils, whoa, I will color each section. Let's start with the yellow. You can use markers. I want to try pencils. So one section is yellow, ready. Then green. Green, super. Now let it be purple. This is light purple, we can call it lavender. It's really gentle, tender color. Lavender, cool. Now I think pink will be nice. Pink, super. Now I think light blue. Vertical and now horizontal. Wow. Now let it be this green emeralds. Wow. Now it's time for orange, I think. Orange. I see something orange on the tail. Long and short. Orange. I think brown. Oh yes, brown fits good. Brown. Good. Indigo. Yes, indigo. Indigo sector is finished. A little bit more. Okay. Red. Yes. Red sector. Fantastic. And also I want to use black as well. Black. And this light peach. We can also call it the skin color. Color of our skin. Just beige. So we have 3 more sectors. I can use the colors that I've already used. Oh, I want to take pink. I like it so much. Pink. And lavender, of course. And the final will be green. Okay, cool. Look. This chameleon looks so unusual and fantastic. And I'm holding green. I'll color the body of our chameleon too. So first contour the triangles. Like this. The glue has dried and I can color around the triangles. Oh, here is still too much glue. Okay, it will dry later. And now I can feel inside. Now I'm using light green, but we'll also add some volume with the help of dark green. And we won't forget about the tail. Because chameleons, they catch insects and flies with the help of their long tail. Oh, not tail. Their tongue. And legs. I don't like this. Maybe I'll use here a marker. And we can also use the marker to cover these blue stick spots. Let me see. Oh, yes, like this. Around to make this triangles pop. That's super. And now let's try dark green on the belly. Yes, that looks interesting. And maybe some yellow. Oh, I'll use the yellow marker. Between the triangles. Okay. And the eye is yellow too. Okay. Now the tongue. It is long. So you draw the line. Quite thick one. And then turn in a circle, but not fully. Now fill with the color. That's funny. This is the chameleon's tongue to catch flies, mosquitoes, and other insects. That's funny. And now the most interesting part is the glitters. Well, color with the glitters each sector. I'll start with red and color here. I have the glitters in the gel. You can use sequins or glitters with the glue, whatever you have and whatever you like, to make our chameleon shiny. Cool, and here is pink too. I squeeze and drop, and then just gently spread on the red. Carefully. Just adding a little bit of shine. Cool. On the orange too. I'll add red glitters. Then I'll use golden and green and purple. Super. Now it's time for the green. Oh, no, green. Blue. Of course, I spread on the blue sector. And on purple. Oh, no, we have purple. Then, oh, one more blue. This is light and this is indigo. Wow. Now our chameleon has a wonderful camouflage. So it can hide from bigger animals. Here is blue as well. Because blue and green, they're quite friends. And they match each other. And we can really well see the blue glitters on the green sector. Oh, and here on the tip. Squeeze and spread. Some more. I want more glitters. Come out, glitters. Cool. Now it's time for golden. Of course, I spread on the yellow. Squeeze and spread. Don't squeeze too much gel. So golden here. Okay. Now it's time for purple. So I have some purple here. And right here. Amazing! Well done! Now the tail looks so shiny, and our chameleon can hide everywhere. But what about the eye? Shall we spread the glitters here too? Of course! Golden on the eye. Wow! I'm not sure whether chameleons in the wild nature have glitters, but this chameleon looks really fancy. Squeeze and spread. Wow! I'm really fascinated! This chameleon is absolutely adorable! I don't want to cut it out, but if you want, of course you can. Now it's time to clean up. Clean up! Well done! See you next time!